Horses out. We've got Seamaster. Pass to begin. Eagles Wings. Moving up on the outside. Frozen Margarita. Meadowlad. Long Nose Hawk. Pink Lady joining them. Running by the rail comes Honor Rose. Mr. Love. And going along for the first turn, Eagles Wings by about 3 for Balenka. And on the outside, second is Seamaster. Frozen Margarita is racing in third. Then followed by Pink Lady on the outside, fourth, Meadowlad. Mr. Love, Long Nose Hawk, Victory Joe. On a Rose, Pair Haven. Don't Explain. Then followed over by number 2. That's Spanish Drums. They swing into the back. Eagles Wings by about 2 lengths. Moving up now to take second is Mr. Love. And on the outside, Pink Lady. Racing now in fourth, Meadowland. Long Nose Hawk, Frozen Margarita. Pink Lady now takes the lead. Mr. Love is running by the rail. Eagles Wings is racing in third. Then followed by Meadowland. And it's still Mr. Love. Moving up on the outside is Pink Lady. As they come down at the last 150. And it's still Mr. Love by Balenka. Pink Ladies on the outside. Mr. Lamb, Pink Ladies on the outside. Now moves up. Pink Lady takes the lead. Mr. Love, Long Nose Hawk. And hitting the finish line, it's Pink Lady. Mr. Love, Long Nose Hawk, Meadowland. Then comes Victory Joe, Eagles Wings.